Hello everybody. Well, today I've got something cool to show you. I can't believe I found it and was able to buy it. I think the Germans used to carry these things. There's lots of history about these type of guns and stuff. This is only a BB gun, so not the real deal. This could be the real deal, the stock, but what's inside of it? No. But let's take a look at it. Let's just look at it, because it's a sight to be seen. Yeah, this thing here is cool. This is cool. I've never seen one around ever. Um, Only in like movies and things like that. Let's open it up. Show you what's inside. What we're working with. This is just a Umarex Legends. I think it's like the M712. I think is what it is. Let's see. Well, I don't read. Yep, M712. Yep. This is so cool. How it goes inside this. This isn't just a case, but it's a stock. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. So cool. It's not the most rigid thing. Is it cool? Yes. This is cool. The heart of it. What makes it sets it off. The real look. This is cool. I don't really know how to operate the gun very much because I just got it. But I don't know. Watch out. Watch out, dog. Yeah. That's my dog, Whiskey. He just gave me a new tennis ball. He wants me to throw it badly. But I wanted to show you guys this. This is just a little video. Little snippet for you guys. We'll do probably a much better video. There's tons of videos on this gun, but not like this. Not like this. There isn't. Yeah. It's fun. Holy moly. Too much to go on here. Cool. Oh my gosh. This is cool. That is cool. We're going to do another video in the future on it, everybody. Talk to you later.